Hello all blind friends, back again with me, Ari Hendarno. Today we will learn how to find solutions to equations of two variables using the graphical method. How is that? Let's learn together. Before we look for solutions to linear equations, we can first prepare the materials.
Metode grafik. Bagaimanakah caranya? Yuk kita belajar bersama.
I have prepared the paper here, which I outline the Cartesian diagram.
Kita bisa menyiapkan terlebih dahulu bahan-bahannya. Saya sudah menyiapkan di sini kertas yang saya garis-garis di sini. Ini kertas kartesiusnya, diagram kartesiusnya.
Then I passed the thick cardboard that I had rendered earlier on top of the styrofoam.
Dan saya pakai reader untuk memberi efek timbulnya. Jadi seperti ini, nanti timbul seperti itu. Lalu saya tempelkan karton tebal ini yang sudah saya reader tadi di styrofoam, di atas styrofoam, agar tujuannya nanti saya juga akan menggunakan pushpin.
So that later when I use a push pin, it can be stuck on it and doesn't move easily. I also use textured paper here to differentiate the x and y axis.
Untuk membedakan, di sini ada sumbu x dan y-nya, jadi saya bisa buat di sini sumbu x.
Besides using Cartesian boards, it's made of thick cardboard which are embossed covered with styrofoam. We also use manufacturing material, namely geoboard. So we have alternatives to make a Cartesian board. Let's try to solve the problem of linear equations with two variables. For example, we have two equations. The first is 2x plus 3y equals 36. And the second is 4x plus y equals 32.
Kurang dari 32. Nah, biasanya mungkin kita menyelesaikan ini dengan metode eliminasi, substitusi, ataupun campuran keduanya.
Usually we solve this by elimination, substitution, or a mixture of both. Now, we will use the graphical method using a Cartesian diagram. The first is that we have to determine the point that we will make a line. To make it easier, we can make a table like this. 2x plus 3y equals 36. If we change x value to 0, we got y value equals 12. And if we change y value to 0, we got x value equals 18.
Oke, lalu yang selanjutnya kita gunakan y-nya yang 0. Jika y-nya yang 0, di sini 3 dikali 0, 0 berarti 2x sama dengan 36 dan x-nya 36 dibagi 2 ya, di sini 12. Mohon maaf, 18.
So we got two dots, 0, 12, and 18, 0. When the two dots are finished, you can correct them into a line. Or as if we wanted to directly connect them into a line using... Oh, this is the tool that was left behind before. Cable ties were introduced. This cable tie has two strands that I wound into one strand and it's quite strong, but flexible to shape. We can use it to make lines using push pins. So here are the points 0, 12 and the coordinates 18, 0. Let's first number for the y and x-axis. Because the numbers are big, I use 4 jumps.
Nah, ini bisa kita beri nomor dulu di sini untuk sumbu y-nya dan x-nya, karena di sini angkanya besar-besar ya, y-nya. Saya pakai lompatnya di sini, ada kita hitung dulu 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 ya. Kita pakai lompatnya misalkan kita pakai 4 4 ya, misalkan di sini. Berarti di sini bisa 4
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, etc. We can make a line from point 0, 12 and 18, 0 using rubber bands and push pins. After that, I will also calculate for 4x plus y equals 32.
Bisa membuat garis dari titik 0,12 dan 18,0. Kita gunakan kabel tie-nya. Di sini 0,12. Posisinya ada di sini 0,12. Lalu 18,0. 18,0 di sini ada kira-kira di antara 16 dan 20. Nah, lalu saya pakai push pin lagi. Setelah itu saya akan juga menghitung untuk 4x ditambah, mohon maaf di sini
It is not less than but equal to. Let's also create the table. 4x plus y equals 32. If we change x to 0, we get y value equals 32. And if we change y value to 0, we get x value equals 8. So we got two dots, 0, 32, and 8, 0. Now that we can use another cable tie and the first push pin, 0, 32. Then the other one, 8, 0. We have found the intersection of the two lines. If we drag it here, we roughly say that the coordinates are 6, 8.
Solusinya. Jika kita lihat, jika kita tarik di sini, kita kira-kira ya ini koordinatnya adalah 6,8.
Is it true? 6, 8? If we use the method of elimination or substitution or a mixture, let's try. For example, 2x plus 3y equals 36. We try to eliminate it with 4x plus y equals 32.
X ditambah y sama dengan 32. Nah, ini coba kita kalikan terlebih dahulu, kita eliminasi untuk nilai.
Because we want to eliminate x value, we can multiply 2x plus 3y equals 36 with 2. The result is 4x plus 6y equals 72. So, we eliminate the 4x plus 6y equals 72 with 4x plus y equals 32. We can subtract 4x with 4x and we got 0. Then subtract 6y with y equals 5y. After that, 72 minus 32 equals 40. After the elimination, we get 5y equals 40. So we got y equals 8 from 40 divided by 5.
3 dikali 8 sama dengan 36. Nah, ini 2x.
Now, if y value equals 8, we can substitute it into the equation, which is 2x plus 3y equals 36. Then, x equals 6. So, the point is that the answer is 6, 8.
12, maka x-nya sama dengan 6. Ya, jadi titiknya itu jawabannya adalah 6,8. Ternyata sama dengan hasil yang kita gunakan dengan metode grafik. Di sini
It turns out the same result as we used the graphical method. Thank you.
mudah kan? Terima kasih.